All right, let's dive into a fascinating case report on VY quadricepsplasty for a really complex total knee arthroplasty.
Here's how we'll break it down, journal club style. We'll cover the challenge, the case, the technique, and the outcomes. So the main surgical challenge here is clear: getting enough exposure in a knee that's completely fused solid. A standard approach just won't cut it. Your main options are a quad snip, a TTO, or a VY quadricepsplasty.
Now, the case focuses on a 64-year-old woman with severe RA. Her knees were so bad she was completely bedbound.
And just look at these pre-op laterals. Both knees are completely fused solid in a 40-degree flexion deformity.
The AP view shows that severe joint destruction, plus a significant patella baja, a real threat to the extensor mechanism.
So the solution they went with was a VY quadricepsplasty. It's a great tool for lengthening a contracted quad tendon. The technique is pretty straightforward. An inverted V-cut in the tendon creates the slack you need to mobilize the patella.
And that controlled lengthening is what unlocked the whole surgical field, making the bilateral TKA possible.
Okay, let's get to the results. Check out these post-op films. The reconstruction and alignment are just fantastic. At 6 months, the clinical outcomes were excellent. Full extension, 90 degrees of flexion, and, importantly, no extensor lag. And that progress didn't just stop there. At 1 year, the functional impact became even clearer.
Get this. She went from being bedbound to walking independently with canes, a truly life-changing result.
This brings up the big question. Why choose the VY over a tibial tubercle osteotomy, or DTO?
Well, TTR has major risks like non-union or fracture, and those risks are way higher with poor RA bone quality.
So the VY was the smarter choice. It's a soft tissue fix that avoids all those potential bone-related headaches. And the paper's conclusion really backs this up, calling VY a reliable and safer option for patients with bad bone. And here's the main takeaway, straight from the authors. VY is a valuable technique for exposure without TTO risks.
So, the bottom line? This technique is a powerful tool to have in your back pocket for these tough cases.